M is the midpoint of PQ. Work out the value of A. One way we could do this is to use the midpoint formula. So M is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. And the midpoint we can see is 2, -1, and that's going to be equal to -4 plus 8 divided by 2 and A plus 6 divided by 2. And of course we're only interested in the y coordinate here. The x coordinate completely works. So we have -1 is A plus 6 divided by 2. Multiply both sides by 2, we get -2 is A plus 6, and then subtract 6 from each side, and we get A is -8. Another way that we could have done that was just to look at how we go from Q to M. So if we look at that, the y coordinate being 6 here and -1 here means that we've gone down by 7. And that means that when we go from M to P, we do the same thing because M is the midpoint. So we'd go down by 7. And -1 going down by 7 is -8.